Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 7. This is Section 2.6, Problem 7. It says add the fractions, and we have 8 over 11 plus 8 over 11 again. So, when we're adding fractions and the denominators are the same, I can keep the same denominator for my answer. In this case, the denominator of my answer would be 11. And then I add the numerators. 8 plus 8 more is 16. So I have an answer of 16 over 11. Now that's an improper fraction, so a lot of math teachers will want you to convert that back to a mixed number, a number with a fraction. So what we can do is off to the side, figure out how many times the denominator of 11 will divide into the numerator of 16. 11 will go into 16 once. 1 times 11 is 11. Then 16 minus 11 is 5. So the remainder is my new numerator, the 5, and the number that was the denominator stays the denominator. So my answer is 16 over 11, and some math teachers would be happy to have you leave it like that. Or if you change it to a mixed number, the same value can be written as 1 and 5/11ths.